Oh, it's really white on the outside today. First time here in Vancouver. Look at it. The park, the river, I think. It's not frozen. I don't want to go out. Okay. That's the boat building, I call it. See that? It's snowing everywhere. Look at this. Oh, that's the parking. Only one car. Nobody's going out. No office today. Even the building office is closed. Oh, that's the other bridge. One person walking. There's another car. I think he's practicing to drive. And this is the courtyard, we call it, by the clubhouse. Oh, it's really Christmas. December 23 is a white Christmas. This is the thing. This is the real thing. White Christmas. Show you guys. It's so cool. I just get out to get a video. I'm a funny guy. That's it. That's the end. One person walking to them by the river. Oh, that one. Can you imagine it? Oh. Oh, that's Vancouver City Hall over there. That building. The train track is really white. All of it. Parking. The side street. Look at the street. See that? And the park by the river. Oh, and that's it. And that's Portland across. See my neighboring building. Look at it. I'm cooking this beef, the turkey, the shrimp, the chicken with this vegetable for the Christmas Eve. Okay, let's do this. For beef,
the people
I normally
participating
remove the
in
fat.
wickedness.
You see that?
It looks like
For
at
this
times
one,
they're
I'm gonna
getting
remove
away
this
with
one.
it. You know, they're just having free breaking open
See,
into
this
all this
is the
freedom
beef
for the very
fat,
first time.
not healthy.
And
I'm gonna throw this away.
it's just, you know, it's
See
like
that?
only Lord
This
you
is
could.
one dish
only the
with the
Lord could
vegetable, and this will be
organize,
the steak.
a meeting like this, because
So here's the marinated beef. Okay, put it here. I have this oil. I'm gonna brush some oil here and put this in this oven. Yeah, brush the oil just like that. This is just my technique. I didn't see on YouTube. I don't know. I just use common sense. Because the first time I did this last Thanksgiving, it burned. Okay, so maybe that was like I put it longer time. So this one, I know the time. Maybe it will be just like 1 hour. Okay, let's do this. Putting it inside the beef, covered. And let's set this one. I don't know, just press. Let's see. Bake. And just like that. Just testing. Start. Not sure. Let's see what happens. Here it's already on. This one I just make what garlic shrimp or this one. Okay. Put the seasoning first, garlic and pepper, just like that. This is easy. Salt a little bit. Oh no. Just like that, prepare the garlic. Buttered garlic shrimp, I will use them. See, the beef is now boiling. This one for the salted vegetable with beef. Okay. Preparing the pan. Here's the butter. Okay. Garlic, the shrimp. Let's do this. See, I put newspaper and paper around so that the oil. Put the butter. Melt the butter. Okay.
It's so key because,
Let's do this. I use this.
It can be difficult at times for new believers or people who
I'm not a chef, I'm not a cook. Just use common sense and what I don't understand how to do it. I don't really watch YouTube cooking much.
but they need good examples. And you're one of
I think I put too much, what's that? Butter, I don't know. I don't care.
would you extend an invitation right now?
Put the garlic. Smells good. Humot smells good. Mabango.
They really need to say yes.
That's my language. See, I'm preparing the other pan. This one, I think. Yeah, this one. Let's do this. Put the newspaper around as usual. That's my style. I copied from my friend. I wear gloves because I got a cut on his finger. See, garlic is now golden brown. Look at it. See that? Oh, nice. Then put the shrimp. Keep it on it for 5 minutes to cook. Just like that. See, maybe 5:30, so maybe 5:35, 5:36. Cover it. Okay, let's put oil in this pan. Not so much. Off this one, the beef. Oh, look at the shrimp. Let's see how it goes. This is still 3 minutes. Mix it. Don't know how it tastes. Anyway, doesn't matter. See, this will cook like maybe 5 minutes. It's already like it's like 4 minutes or 1 minute more. And this one for the vegetable and the beef. Put the garlic. This one done. Off it. 6 minutes now. This one just starting. Make it gold. Oh no, put the onion first. See, I have this mixed vegetable, just like that. Put it in. Okay. Then I just add the beef. Put a little bit of sauce. Okay. Please put the beef. Just like that. Easy, simple. And then season it. Look at this. Let's try it. Wow, it's good. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of oyster just to put color to it. Oyster sauce. Let's do it. Oyster sauce. Just a little bit. Just to add color and taste. Because it already tastes good actually. So not so much because it will become salty. Mix it. I don't know how you call this dish, beef mixed vegetable. Wow, tasty. Lamig, sarap. Nice. Okay, cover. Off it. Off. Little bit. Okay, now preparing the turkey. And this is like a vegetable sausage, I don't know. And this drumstick. Use the same oil, the butter, this thing. Turkey and the vegetable, the sausage, I don't know what's that, how you call it. Cover it, let it for a few minutes, and then let's see the beef. See, it's in there, it's cooked, 1 hour, it's too hot. Okay, marinate the chicken. This one, onion, garlic, and salt, and very simple. Put a little bit of lemon, squeeze lemon on the chicken. Just like that. Marinate it. Yes, already golden brown. Look at it. Love it. Love this color. 2 minutes more. But I think the beef is a disaster. You see that? Because I don't know about it. I put it like 1 hour, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I didn't even know that there's a light inside. Oh no, what a waste. Oh, here's the beef. Let's see. I don't know if it can be acceptable. Oh yeah, still okay. It's like medium. Okay, it's not so bad. Only the sauce that I put. See that? See, even the plate is jolly. But I'm gonna try it. Just try this. Look at this. See that color? But still juicy inside. See? It tastes good. See, it was already burned. See that? Delicious. Last dish, fried chicken. You see, already cooked. Okay, it's 7:24, Christmas Eve, 24th. It's Christmas Eve. I just finished my cooking. I'm about to have my dinner, so I'm gonna show you guys how I decorate this new apartment for Christmas. I just hang it there. See that? And I'm actually preparing the Christmas cards to be sent and the souvenir. See? And this is the window decor, the plants with the lights, and this is the window decor. See, the neighbors are very close. This is snowstorm. And this is the food that I prepare. I have a Christmas tree for my sweet, lovely cousin Haydee. Thank you so much. I have fruits, the shrimp, the chicken, the beef, the mixed vegetable with beef. That's the turkey and the vegetarian sausage. See that? And I have a small Christmas tree there. And we have this favorite like desserts, you see? This one from Cebu given to me and all these things. See that? This one also from my auntie. This one is from my cousin's husband Bill and all this. Oh wow, nice. What a Christmas. Merry Christmas. Use my Christmas plate. Nice. Let me play this to you. The Christmas song. Merry Christmas everyone. It's Jesus' birthday today. Let's celebrate it because without Jesus, the world has no hope. So He is the reason for this celebration, the reason for the season. Jesus Christ, the Savior of the world, the Son of God, the living Son of God. He is my God, my King, my Savior. So that's it. Oh, I have to add that I have this bread, the only bread that I have. I don't know what type is that one. Then the tomato, the cucumber, and I have this sauce, chili sauce, the ketchup, and the mustard and dill sauce. Okay, let's eat now. I need this for the carbo. See, after eating, these are the leftovers. See that? I don't eat much. Kasi marami siya, too many food for me. Now let's have this kind of like drink. This is just like an apple something, whatever. Christmas Eve dinner. Okay. I'm watching a video on YouTube anyway.
Help us put people first, put action